Good morning. We are in force and pressure chapter. Force completed. Next is pressure. So today we will read about pressure. What is pressure? You might have heard the and used the word pressure in connection with a pressure cooker, blood pressure or low pressure region over the Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea. What does the pressure mean? Is there any relation between force and pressure? Yes. So, first of all, look at the coin being pushed into a lump of plasticine. Pressing on the edge of the coin makes it go in much further. The pushing force is concentrated onto a smaller area. अगर हम लोग कॉइन को प्रेस करते हैं वो लंप ऑफ प्लास्टिसिन कॉर्नर पे और एक जगह एक एज पे किनारे में अगर कॉइन को प्रेस करेंगे तो वो बहुत दूर तक जाएगा. सो दिस पुशिंग फोर्स is concentrated onto a smaller area. So pressure will be more there. Now look at the men walking through snow. One is wearing the large flat snowshoes and the other is wearing the simple shoes. What we will see? We will see that the person who is wearing the large flat snowshoes, it does not sink into the snow because the area is more here, so pressure will be less and the weight is spread out over a large area. So this is because of the physical quantity called pressure. Hence, pressure can be defined as the force acting per unit area. Force acting per unit area is known as pressure. So P is equal to F by A. F is force and A is area. Or we can say that pressure is directly proportional to force. That means if force increases, pressure also increase. If force decreases, pressure also decrease. And area pressure is inversely proportional to area. That means if area increases, pressure decreases, just ulta hoga. And if area decreases, pressure increases. अगर एरिया को हम लोग इंक्रीज करेंगे प्रेशर डिक्रीज होगा, एरिया को डिक्रीज करेंगे प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा. इट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. So one activity is here to observe the effect of pressure. Take two cylinders P and Q of the same weight W. दोनों का वेट सेम है. यहाँ हम लोग मान लेते हैं कि दोनों का वेट W होगा. But P is longer and thinner and Q is shorter and thicker. वेट दोनों का सेम है बट उसका लेंथ और ब्रेथ वो कम और ज़्यादा है. Then spread soft clay on the ground. Now take both cylinders and place both of them on the soft clay. Here you can see in the figure the two cylinders are placed on the clay. What you will observe? You will observe that P, that means the first cylinder, which is having less area, is found to penetrate more than Q. Q is having more area. तो जिसका एरिया ज़्यादा है वो कम अंदर जाएगा और जिसका एरिया कम है वो ज़्यादा जाएगा. So what is the reason? The reason is that the thinner cylinder exerts more pressure than the thicker one because the area is less here, so it will create more pressure. And in second one, the area is more, so pressure will be less. So the total force exerted by both the cylinder is the same and is equal to their weight. And pressure exerted by P is equal to W by A, where A is the area of P, on which force is exerted, and pressure exerted by Q, second one, second जिसका area ज़्यादा है, same W by B, where B is the area of Q. दोनों के एरिया को हम लोग A और B मान लेते हैं. फर्स्ट जो थिनर सिलेंडर है उसका एरिया A एंड सेकेंड वन इज B. So pressure, how much pressure will exert by first one? W by A, and by Q, W by B. W is weight here. So where B is the area of Q on which force is exerted. Since A is less than B, therefore pressure exerted by P is greater than the exerted by Q. In simple words, you can say that the less area, more pressure. So in first case, more pressure is exerted there and it will go deeper inside. So due to this reason, the area of the pointed end of the nail is much smaller than that of its head. And the same force therefore produces a pressure sufficient to push the pointed end of the nail into the wooden plank. देखे होगे कारपेंटर को घर में जब वो कांटी ठोकता है किसी वुडन पीसेस पे तो पॉइंटेड एंड से की तरफ से उसको लगाया जाता है. क्यों? बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग लेस एरिया, सो इट विल exert more pressure and go deep inside the wooden plank. And unit of pressure in SI system, the force is measured in Newton and area is measured in meter square. So the unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, which is also known as Pascal. Pascal, Pascal, and its short form is PA, capital P and small a. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square, or we can also write Nm minus 2. मैथ्स में तुम लोग पढ़े होगे n by m square. It can also be written as Nm minus 2. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So I think about pressure I have explained here. Go through it. Next we have to solve some numericals based on this.